our friends and family ask us about our solar program, number one, after we had the solar panels installed, we had a solar party down here. And one of the guys that was interested is a fellow parishioner of our church, also an electrical engineer. He was so impressed when I said, well, our electric bill had been $200 or more a month. Now it's $38. His jaw dropped. We love Icon Solar so much. We're actually non-commissioned. We advertise for them. We've had referrals. We've had people calling up here, coming by to take a look at it. And it is one of the best decisions we have ever made. So go Icon Solar.
Their level of service post-sale, I mean, it's just, we've had like a question, and they've always been prompt, they've always taken care of stuff.